wonderful Sunday from here. A wonderful Sunday and a lovely Sunday from here. All the lovers of freedom, God bless you. All the patriots, God bless you all. If you are watching, make sure you share this very broadcast. God bless you. Happy Sunday. Today being on the 22nd of August 2020 is a year we all must live to remember. Got a lot of updates for you today. Got a lot of updates for you today. Our broadcast, we do it to make people think well. We do our broadcast to make sure people have a change of heart. People used to do bad so that they will repent. We are really following the word of God. We are not talking about holiness, so at least let's follow the word of God. Let's follow the word of God a little. I'm not talking about holiness. At least let's obey even what our ancestors, they are laid down principles. Our ancestors, they married many wives. So let's remove women outside of it. Let's talk about our reaction to each other. So you can see that martyrism is not difficult, except you choose to be wicked, except you just choose to remain an animal for life. So martyrism is not rigid. It is very, very flexible. Very, very flexible. Very, very flexible. So if you follow us, you will understand what I'm trying to say here. Please don't hesitate to share. Never hesitate to share a broadcast. Do just that. We are supposed to be having a full house because today we want to give you a lot of information. Because if you are not rightly informed, you might be rightly deformed. If you are not rightly informed, you might be rightly deformed. The sea is very rough today. Let me give you a glance of the sea. Very, very rough. Very, very rough. Just look at it. It's very, very rough. At times when you want to try coming to Europe, very, very rough. Very, very rough. Oluwu. So as I'm doing my sharing, also do your own sharing too. As I'm doing my sharing, do your sharing. Do not hesitate to do your sharing. You know, a lot of things is happening. If you look at the heading there, I put the Taliban is equal to the herdsmen, the Fulani herdsmen. While the Afghanistan is equal to the South-South and some lazy South-South and Southeast. So I put it there like that because there's something I want to be bringing to a notification. And if you also read another heading there, I put vividly that the coronation they want to do the other day in Edo State was just to test your reaction. That the Shawara Arab of Edo State, they want just to test your reaction to see how you feel about it. It's an agenda they want to fulfill. And you are not going to take it seriously because the same thing also happened in Afghanistan. Because we love betraying ourselves, and the supporting struggles is very, very difficult for us to do. Rather than we support the government in whichever step they take, we take it along with them. So you cannot say you want a better society, and you are using the same method these people use in killing our society. That's the same method you are also using. It's not going to work. Either you are going to make yourself as an enemy to these people. You can be friends in some certain areas, but you have to make yourself an enemy to them. Moses was able to liberate the children of Israel because he became an enemy to Pharaoh. So I cannot say right now, I want to come and free you. Obaseki is still my 5 and 6. I support him in injection. I support him in all his policy. There must be policy of the governors that I'm fighting against, which a lot of people today, They create platform to support everything Obaseki is supporting. And I'm going to be playing video to you of the protest that happened yesterday in Australia. That some protesters, they crashed with police over no to what you are happy for in Edo State today. They are protesting for it there. Then I might also be showing you another one of how backriders in France came out. Everything is in media because we cannot go and search for it. That's just a major problem. We can never go and search for it. We cannot go and search for it because it is forbidden for us to go and share and search for such an information. Then let me just read the heading to you one by one. Breaking news: Sultan of Shawa, Arab of Edo State, was a test. Was to test your reaction is an agenda. The Taliban equals to the full enhancement. The Afghanistan on lazy South and Southeast citizens. You have not solved any problem compared to their own agenda. How ready are you to combat with what is coming? How ready are you? Are you set for it? Now, the thing you feel you've done today right now to stop what is coming tomorrow, you just endanger yourself. It's an agenda you must have to complete with them because you have started it. So that's that. We have a lot to talk about today, a lot to talk about. If you are watching, make sure you share so that you reach a larger audience. Make sure you share so that you reach a larger audience. This is what we know how to do best, to make sure we preach so that our people might discolonize their mind from this archaic idea. One thing I've seen in our Nigerian politics today, even for the people who felt they came out to come and speak for the dying Nigerians, we are over pampering this government as if they've been able to meet up to the requirement of the society. Up to today, our security is not guaranteed. I think allegedly about 70-something thousand injections were brought to Edo State yesterday. So something thousand were brought to Edo State. And this thing, we are bringing it to Edo State while other foreign countries, they are protesting against it. And this is supposed to make every person in diaspora go and think what is happening here, but we are not thinking about it. But now that's not just my main topic today. That's not my main topic for today. Because you got me right. So that's why I will always pray a simple prayer in every of my videos. So ever you are a man, you are a woman, you want to trouble me because I say the truth, and the water is big trouble today, your life will be troubled. You are a youth, you are a Igbama, you are a Kagele, you are Ohen, you are a king, you are a prince. You say because you have one voodoo behind your backyard, then you want to trouble me. You want to trouble me because I'm speaking the truth. It's in the name of our ancestors. And another thing again we have to have at the back of our mind is, you can beat the world. You can beat the spirit. You cannot beat the blood. You can manipulate God, though. Our God in heaven, you know, He's a merciful Father. When Peter asked Jesus Christ, I think the book of Matthew 5 verse 44, he said, how many times will my brother sin against me that I may forgive? He says 77 times 7. That to say you have no limit. Just keep on committing the sin. God Almighty will keep on forgiving you. But one thing that people don't know, it is not because you have juju, or because you come on media to start deceiving people, or because you claim a soothsayer. That's what will make the ancestors of our land to respect you. The ancestors of our land, they are private autonomous in their own. They are the God that we have on earth. It is not being controlled by an individual. No, an individual does not control it. They give message to an individual. That's why you have Debians and soothsayers and Ohen will take care of them. So that is clear. Now, if you look at the issue of the Afghanistan, let's bring it back to our day-to-day life that we are living in Nigerians today. People were from just the same way right now. Before this thing happened, we call on international community. Over 20 years ago, when the US Army, they get to that place in the line 11 attack and all that, you know, they form a base there. This will not happen again, they tend to use how many billions of dollars to make sure embassy was built there. And that embassy today, it is a shame unto America that their flag have been brought down. This same thing one first happened in 1975. It repeats itself again because of why? The people choose to elect incompetent leader. That's what they have elected. Now, if this very man that you claim today is your president, that is to rule the world, where do you think you are getting to? Look at the southeast border. The Texas border today, everything is immense. When this whole thing started, every one of us were complaining, hey, now racist, but people were paid. But do you know today, people are remembering the man. He's still the one standing out right now. The speech he has made, even the so-called president you elected, I have not been able to see anything like that. Now, let's go back to our main topic in proper. Afghanistan, the Taliban equals to the herdsmen. Now, what am I trying to bring to your understanding is this. These are people, they know how to fight. The Sasa people, they are all foolish. I mean, some of them, if you have been in this very struggle, you know what I'm talking about. Don't take it personal. They are foolish. Look at the Fulani is pressing hard. They are pressing hard. They've already installed their people in everywhere. Being that the Edo State is heartbeat of the nation, they know how we fought hard in a Edo State election. They know that we doesn't take nonsense. They know that when we sincerely talk to the gods of our land or the ancestors of Edo State, that they always support us to fight every fight. That's why when a lot of entity rose up against Obaseki, it was the gods of the land who said, this is the governor that I need, in whom I well pleased. Because they know that if they empower the man, he must definitely do well more than the opposite side. Now, they just put a test to us. They put a test to us by saying, okay, let's do this thing like this. Now, who is siding these same people? Who are they liaising with? Who is the support of the agenda? And why are they in our state today? Why are they in our state? What am I trying to explain is this. I'm trying to put, you know, the Taliban that we are pressing does the same way Fulani have been pressing. The only person we know today who have been suppressing them, thank God for His Excellency Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the Commander-in-Chief of the BRAFA. He started the movement. And some animals label him as a terrorist organization. But the Itapo did not label him. The international community did not label him. His own indigenous people joined because of money, they labeled him. Do you know today it was the Afghanistan who betrayed themselves that made the Taliban to take over Afghanistan today? Both the people that supported though, both that only supported though, both the American citizens, on no account will anybody pull out military first. What you do, you first of all pull out the citizen, the military last. But when Joe Biden came, all of you were happy. We have won. If we are standing so many executive orders. The reason why today you are not seeing grief over your action, it is because you are lifeless like Buhari. And you don't have your spirit being, you doesn't have conscience. The whole world today is supposed to be bleeding in their hearts. Because of what you are supporting is causing mayhem. This thing is a very big shame to you yourself that live in abroad. Because this thing is a menace. If it can happen to Americans, what about those people who don't even have a state vigilante trusted? Who are the Taliban? They have the same agenda, the same mind with the Fulani. They can keep you hostage anytime. They can keep you hostage anytime. They say now bad head, they push, they open door for thief may enter house. Now, the funeralization of Nigeria or Islamization of Nigeria, who are your brothers, your father supporting them? Who are the ones supporting them? Don't you think that if you talk to your father so hard, you hit him very hard, he will remove his hand from these things? Who are they paying homage to? Who is their friend? But now you don't know it. I want to break it to you. Your father is your problem. That's what the Bible makes it clear. He said the man's own enemy is a member of his household. So this shower, whatever, shower Arab, they just do a test run to see your reaction. They are going to do it. You know right from time. This is Buhari agenda. If for the contrary, We were able to fight them here from abroad, scatter all their plans. Then it did not come to pass. Don't go and be praising yourself. It was your leader that do the effort. It is people like Nnamdi Kanu and some other people who have good mind, who have advocated and said, no, this thing must not have to happen. Because you don't have any mechanism on ground to even protect yourself. I told you guys one time, can't we stop eating cow to make sure we dislodge these terrorists from our society? Did you obey? No, you did not obey. Now you cannot sanction these people. No, we want to stop eating cow. I told you before now, lead me not into temptation. It is better than deliver me from evil. You wake up in the morning and say, God, I don't want to see temptation. Then temptation will come, you start calling on the great men of God, please deliver me. No, that's what I do. I don't want to see it. I don't want it to come. I'm talking about a series of things because I know we cannot save everybody. Some people are already animals. If you doubt it right now, we'll call somebody who work in a hotel. That most of their staff right now, they are all of them, most have been hospitalized. Because of this same thing, you are wanting your state governor to give to them. We have a lot of people that are sick in our society. If the government want to do something, it should go into humanitarian by helping the farmer buying cutlass for them. But we like to celebrate things that are not useful to us. That's what we like to do. When I told us one time, stop eating cow, you cannot stop eating cow. Now, how are we going to sanction these people to make sure they stop this nonsense? When Donald Trump, according to him, he wanted a press interview, one phone call, a press interview, he said he had told to one of the head of the Taliban, he said anything that happened to the Americans, that he's going to hit them so hard, more than the way that they can never ever imagine in life. What have not happened in human history is what you're going to do to them. But your Joe Biden have not been able to put a cut through. Is this one not a sign to you that there is something fishy? For you to reason well and join in the struggle. No, you cannot join. That's why I will keep on laying salt on you until you change. I'm not going to take it lightly with you. Because you have to wake up from your slumber. Now we are taking everything as if everything is normal. Nothing right now is normal. We are at war. You are not in the war front does not mean for you to know what happened in Afghanistan. Do you know why the government of Joe Biden did it? They want to cause another war. Because right now they know that they cannot really achieve their aims. Why they brought out this injection, they want to make sure they cause mayhem. Do you think if it was Donald that was on power, all this is that's happening to Nnamdi Kanu will not happen? It will not happen. There is a way he must intervene. And what are you doing about this mess? If you are that have military, that have constitution, that have heart, they know the reason play. If Joe Biden can do this, pull up the troop and leave the civilian there to die, you are going to see what's going to happen. More of things going to happen. According to them, something, ammunition that worth 75 to 84 billion dollars was abandoned for the Taliban. They are in possession right now as I speak to you with American sophisticated weapon. The flag of America, almighty America, will be pulled down by terrorist cell. Because why? You choose to elect a bad government. You don't bother care to know what's happening. Why am I giving all these illustrations here? Now, what are you doing about what's happening in your state? Have you been able to look for people that owns the cow in your state and say, no, we don't need this thing? No, I talk about. Why will I talk about? I pray, if anything happened to you, I told you yesterday, the icon you are going to be seeing, I will zip my mouth. You know that icon in WhatsApp when you are chatting? That's what I'm going to be. I will upload it in thousands. You might be looking for me to speak that, oh, if this boy can just talk now. I cannot talk. Because I called the right and said, this boy I cannot keep myself. Be following those talk show hosts. Don't you know if you join in this very struggle, if you join to fight this fight, you will have a positive impact to make. Go and look at people today stranded in Kabul airports because of the mistake of one idiot. Instead of us to face policy, we still depends on the politics. Time for politics is gone. And right now, your governor sent 76,000 whatever injection to Edo State. Most of you are happy because you are an animal. Because it doesn't know what you are doing. Let me show all this a brief video here of what you think you are celebrating. He is supposed not to be celebration. You are supposed to be soberly reflected. This is the West that you depend on. This is the same West you came to come and study. The same people that you get their degree. You said you have spent 80 years abroad. The same people are protesting to say this thing. Mago day, the government must explain. Now you are embracing. You are even supporting the government. Not knowing that the government also need your help. The Obasa can hear there for who can. Because whether I go collect money, I don't understand. Now here there for who can. Why did Yeye Bello not do the same thing? Why we not see that as wicked as Opus Odima, that carry bombardment jet to go and be killing people in Olu? Why is he not interested in this very injection? Must it be in your state? All of you are not doing Jigo for Delta variant. It's a shame on you. That's why Europe is not in you. It's a very big shame. It is a very big shame that you guys are not ready to help any system. You are not ready to help any system. All you guys know is about your own self. So far you feel well. So far I'm closer to the government. It's not all about that. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. So look at it. This one happened yesterday. I don't know if you see it. Just hold on. Let me play it from this way. This, what you yourself is enjoying, is what people that owns the land, they know. Because they have intel. Any country, any person that doesn't want to work according to intel, nobody gives you information, is what you have in your mind. The Bible says, lean not unto your own understanding. And right now you lack wisdom of understanding. Ask of God. James chapter 1 verse 5. He said it. There are scriptural passages of the Bible that call you to say you can ask of this thing, no problem. No problem. Even in the Old Testament, Isaiah chapter 4 verse, he said, my people are destroyed for lack of knowledge. But in the New Testament, God look at, Jesus Christ look at it and know, being that my people are being destroyed for lack of knowledge, the only person that can give you that knowledge is our Lord. Then the James chapter 1 verse 5 permits you to ask. It is your legitimate right for you to ask, but we are not asking. We are not ready to work according to intel. Now they crash with police, and more of this going to come. But you just feel right now you solve one problem. No, you have not solved anything. What you think right now you want to do it to escape problem. There are more agenda behind it. You that doesn't know the first phase, how you go to know the second phase? I know it's going to come a time when you might become a fugitive at the end of the day. Bullet may meet you at any time. War may burst out. And right now the front people, they are fighting Macron, calling him tyranny. System of government. The bad people, they came out and blocked the highway. Let me see if I share it with people in this very phone, so that I play part of it to you. How they came out in the thousands. What you yourself you feel you are celebrating right now, people are rejecting it. People don't want to see it. They don't want to see it. The reason why they don't want to see it, you don't really care about it. All you know right now is about your own self. So far I'm okay, so far I can travel. We need to agree together and fight this thing. Nigeria need to come together and fight it. Okay, look at the security outfit they created in this land. Thank God for them. No, there's no AK-47. That one cannot fight war. Those one can only catch a thief that is coming to come and uproot sugarcane from the farm. Amotekun has a full and not defeated them in Yoruba land. Where's Amotekun today? He's nowhere to be found. Where is Amotekun? Severally they have been arrested by the so-called Janjaweed Caliphate. But one thing is very funny here, that none of us is ready to do the needful. None of us. We are not ready. We are not ready. Look at what the Taliban did. They take the bull by the horn. They choose to take their country back to themselves by their own self. Because it's what they believe on. We don't care. We don't care. This one may be in the others. Okay, let me show you this very one. This very one where some Italian citizens. Where Italian citizens were burning their past. They were burning their past. Now, why am I showing all this little by little? The other one, the other protest is in the other phone. But I know I share it with somebody in this very phone, but I can't really get it right now because it's complicated a little, you know. Why am I trying to give us brief analogy? I'm going to be touching a lot of areas today. To waking up our understanding once again that what you feel you are solved right now as a problem, you are not solving. You just put yourself in torments. You just put yourself in torment. You are not solving any problem. Don't think you have solved any problem. Or you are trying to cause a temporary solution. A temporary solution to a permanent problem. That's what you have just caused. Even when people will be out there tomorrow, carry AK-47 abroad, we must fight it. When the main protest will be going on to fix the war, and you refuse to understand today, this is an agenda, is a fight between the kingdom of darkness and kingdom of light. You feel it's all about your fucking job, or you feel it's all about your fucking your fucking traveling. Why is it that you are taking it, you are still putting something on your nose? Why you not see liberated today? Because the one that is coming is bigger than the one you feel you have seen. We couldn't retreat ourselves from anything. People, soldiers are fighting war today. The part of the agenda is what you are seeing in Afghanistan today. Because some of the agenda is that when Joe Biden, at the time you get there, the first Insurrection Act you are going, executive order you are going to sign, pull out the soldiers. But thank God for the legacy Donald Trump left behind. He spoke with the head of the Taliban. If anything happened to American citizens, he said he's going to hit them hard what I never wanted to happen in the history. I guess right now they may be planning on how they are going to step Kabul to make sure every American citizen, every of their allies is being returned back to base without problem. How will a normal president not following intel, you don't follow constitution, you do everything that comes from your mind? This is a person you are supporting, you are adding politics all the time. I was talking to somebody, I spent 40 years in Tesla. You spent fucking bastard here without brain in Europe. Europe is not in you. This was how our country is being ruled today. Because nobody cares. This is the same problem we have. We don't have leader. All we have is looters. Before this time, Intel was always, they were only giving, sending message to the White House, sending message to Pentagon. This thing to the Pentagon, he is a very big shit. No, I'm America, you want that. Why I made the American their war power? They are 325 million. Chinese is 1.something billion. Nobody, because they follow principle. Because of their rule of law, because their democratic value made them to be war power. But this very man brought up the rev from heaven and used it to rob ground. Go and look at mess everywhere. Everything is escalating. Nobody even sit down to think. Look at the rally yesterday. As at 4 a.m., you were already preparing to go to Kovo and keep people. I was watching. That is how I gather my informations. When you are sleeping, looking for talk show hosts, I'm trying to hear from a leader who will pronounce a word and God Almighty will obey it. Do you think your so-called injection you are taking is going to make all this thing work out? People are fighting. People are fighting to take us away from this mess. All you do, you don't support in prayer. It does not concern you. That is very why the God Almighty even make you to be deaf ear. So that I go work one way, if no boys no making go. People are walking. There are leaders God obeys his voice. There are leaders when they speak, heavens we hear and we perfect it. But today here we are fooling ourselves. We cannot sanction anything. If the Taliban do anyhow tomorrow, anyhow, America will sink them, if they will eradicate them from the planet of the earth. Nobody can do Almighty America. That was why when Donald Trump came, the first people he empowered was the military force of the United States of America. He empowered them. But a lot of people in America today, they don't even know a peep of what is happening. All they know is to go to that their fucking job and encourage the Edo State government to go and buy vaccine and carry to Edo State. Is that our problem? Is that our major problem? Where is Delta virus in Edo State? I can't get it. Where is he? Where is he located? Where is the address? I know the kind of sickness we have there. We have hunger pandemic. We have insecurity pandemic. We have cultism pandemic. They are carrying it up to now. Look at the rally Donald Trump did yesterday in Kuma in Alabama. There was no single face man. There was no social distancing. There was no goddamn single face man. There was no social distancing. He's trying to let you know, giving you a spiritual intel. Please don't fall for their trap. Let me show you part of the video. This man started rally at Ibaju. He had been doing rally with that face mask. I was talking to somebody. Look at where Greg Abbott, the governor of Texas, he said no to green pass. Ron DeSantis said no to green pass, the governor of Florida. Now I begin to ask people, why was Andrew Cuomo, the New York State governor, why was he removed? Now ask me again, why would Matt Hancock, the former secretary 2 months ago here, head secretary of UK, why did he resign? Why did they allegedly say they see him with woman? Because this is an agenda. When this man was called for an interview, he couldn't answer anything. He said the policy, according to what WHO sent for him, this coronavirus, there is no specific scientific evidence. That's what Matt Hancock, the judge at which UK, that's what he said. But where did you get this, your knucklehead from? That today you are doing it good for the sake of it. Okay, what is not good for the UK? Even let me tell you, the CDC staff, they did take it to. Pfizer's officials, all these people you are seeing, the Pfizer, the Johnson Johnson, the Madonna, the AstraZeneca and the rest, their staff did not take it. The CDC staff did not take, none of them took it. But they are giving, you are happy, you want to travel. Now your head one can scatter the head. If like tired, you go and jump in the ocean. Instead of people to learn from other people, no, they will never learn. Then lean on until they are useless understanding, claiming you are graduates. Graduate without brain is caricature. Speaking convincingly without brain is useless. People don't know. I give you fact in everything I say. Go and look for Matt Hancock, your former head secretary to the Janda with Britain, UK. Go and ask him. He did say one threat word. Let me read the news I saw today again. He's from a west side in the UK. I think I shall screen it. Oh, it's going to be in the phone I'm using. I wanted to read it to another one and use my mouth to talk. They are not saying that the people who don't even take her now they give the sickness to people who never take her. That's what they are saying. There have been no scientific proof apart from all these idiots that is advertising it. Now let don't say don't come and say go and take it. Nobody anywhere say it. Even the people that paste it on media, WHO, their chairman have not been able to even come out boldly. Where do we get the wickedness from? Is that how we are going to rule the earth? If you have been put in any position, this is how you are going to rule. Our major problem today, we are not solving it. Look at Afghanistan today, all of them are suffering. People are dying. The Taliban, they are happy. They get hold of American sophisticated weapon that worth almost about $84 billion. Your own taxpayers' money, because you don't care. You want Biden to be your president because they told you that Donald Trump is a racist. They told you that he is a racist. But this same person today, he tried to put you first, American first. What is bad about that? He said American first. The rally he did yesterday, no face mask. Almost about 18,000 people present. Everywhere full. No face mask. How one idiot in Edo State will be talking about Delta variant? When DeSantis, the governor of California, boldly said, no restriction, our children, we're not going to be posting restriction, we are going to follow the normal protocol, social distancing and all of that, while recruiting people. But instead of us to sit back, to check out what's happening, we don't check it. There is no parliament in Europe today that they wear face mask the way they see we in Edo State. It's not enough for you to think and say there is something happening. You can't take it. Where is it in Edo State? Is it in Yekorion? Where is it located? Show me the address. They are bamboozling you here and there. 5 presidents have been killed. 5 presidents have been killed because of this mess. If at all our governor is in a bed of losing his life because of he collected money or something allegedly, because they gave all of them money, they're promoting it today. The reason why your daughter encouraged you, each of the gesture your daughter give out to any client, they gave him money for it. He collect money from your head. Instead of you to stay back the way I stay back right now, let's discourage our people from taking it. You are encouraging them. What are you encouraging them for? We have insecurity problem. Nnamdi Kanu is in jail. Nobody, it does not bother you about that. After all, Nnamdi Kanu is for Nnamdi Kanu. If Nigeria is good tomorrow, will not be good for everybody. Do you like the mess we are today? The Fulani, they are trying all one way or the other to make sure they install all king in different places. They are just beating Edo State. You cannot even fight the Fulanis. They are everywhere. Since 2017, we have been shouting. They are loading ammunition. We couldn't go our boat today now to go and look for these people. Yeah, we are selling land. Carrying people to unnecessary jail. You are fighting me while you're just everywhere. I'm mad because of the problem. Now you now see the major problem that you have. The Shawa, whatever of Arab of Edo State, the Fulani, they just came to come and do test run to see your reaction, and they find out that you people have no ammunition. They are going to unleash on you one day because Buhari is Buhari government. How can you fight the president? In what way have you been able to fight them in any form? Tell me. In what way have you been able to fight them? One idiot just now, I saw him. He thought that the name he bears. I love that name so much. I would have unleashed on you here. Say the way I'm talking about Brafa. Well, is Brafa a courtesan? Have your father banded here in Benin? I will not lay curse on you. As your father banded here in Benin, is Brafa your problem? I don't know up to now. People don't think. All you don't do, you don't know how to write. But why are you writing? You are not even thinking and digesting what you are writing. How are they your problem? Your major problem are the same people who is forcing. They don't install the thing. They have it there already. They don't want to see your foolishness. How you feel? I think they ask mosque there. Did they ask mosque in that place? They have mosque. They are everywhere. Have you been able to station them in any form? Say go with your cow because your father they own the cow. Why are they there? What economic importance are they? The way the Igbo is. I don't know what you see for Igbo people body. I don't know if you not just hear about Igbo people matter. You not want to hear anybody support them. These people, they are not terrorists. They are not known as terrorists. Spain here, the government here, they don't call them terrorists. Go to Brussels, they are listed. Their name is not a terrorist group. But the so-called Fulani you are fighting for, they are the fourth, the most hardest terrorists in the whole world. How will people come and help you now when you cannot help yourself? You have not been able to put down a mechanism to help yourself. They were the same Afghan soldiers. They were the one that hand over the power right now to the Taliban. They don't want to fight again, but the Americans that have been fighting for them, they have been withdrawn. How do you expect somebody to be fighting your war for you? How prepared are you today to defend your ancestral land? Only what you defend is to defend the building. Defend the land so that it will not be invaded. You can never. All these messages we are giving is to awaken people's understanding to know what is going to befall them in tomorrow. And what is coming for you. Because what you are even going through right now, you can't even say it. They were advertising it, you key into it. Your brain cannot reason anything. This is started right from time. How is it that you didn't believe when I was even the first person that believed I will pray for these people? These people, when they were able doing their fake news, there are hundreds of thousands dying somewhere. You were doing sad. Did you feel remorse one day for them and feel sorry? Now you won't believe them because the governor you supported. That's why I'll be saying it. If you call me your friend, verify yourself first, or that God will punish you. If you are a social media influencer or stupidity, you call me your friend for back. You have not verified yourself, now God will punish you. Because I don't need people around me who believe in sacrifice, who cannot tell you the truth. Who whatever governor said is right. They cannot argue with their government, but they can criticize other people. Look at we are in a mess. Information get to me this week that somebody that have taken the two injection, you don't take them. But still go for tests. He still went for tests coming from Nigeria. He still went for tests. Now, what's the purpose of the two, whatever you took? We doesn't bloody care about our lives. We doesn't bloody care after all you said on Makanwe. But you are going to be the one, according to them, go and tell you UK News. Go to CDC, go eat, Central for Disease Control. Everything is there. That the people that have even been not here, that's what they are saying now. And anytime I hear it, it pains me that why with my people, that where do my bedoku, you look for money and look for money, then you go but yet you are causing mayhem. Why not ole now? Behind every element of rumor, there's truth inside. There have been rumors everywhere. You did sit down to say, okay, now let me do my verification. No, you have no time to do your verification. You have no time to do your verification. If Farto say home, cast tomorrow now, did you have a home to go? Most of the organ right now, they are frustrated. Go and watch news. I know you have no time. Maybe now, imagine you go to school, you can write comment, you cannot listen to what's even happening in the media. Go and look at media. America is on its knee because that their flags means a lot to them. Now, natural heritage, that don't mean anything to. Any Edo person can be deported, he can be treated. For a Edo person to be killed by one foreigner, it should be a shame on all Edo land. Look at the man that came the other day from America. He was killed. Up till now, Binia Road, they have not been able to invade it with their last couple. All they do is to start donating money, fighting one individual who speak out. What is he talking about? Is it true or lie? What you about yo? I don't know why you people don't swear it again. Why you boy why using a police? But right now you people have graduated. But this is a thing we believe in. I still believe on our ancestors. That's why causes for anybody. What I'm doing, if I'm doing it for my personal selfish interest, may the ancestors kill me. But if I'm not doing it, you just want to worry me, your ancestors will bury all your generation. But how many of you will confidently say it tomorrow? People who always opposite, who fight the truth, are what those stupid people value. Because now, if somebody speak the truth, somebody that will come and counter that truth, to make sure he cannot call truth lie, or lie truth, they will say that person was an hero. He fight for the Edo people. How do you fight for your people? You fight for people by saying the truth. But people don't know this. I talked about Artifact the other day. Let's not blow this thing out of proportion. We have many rivers to cross. Some Edo people, they came out and started ranting. Tell me how many square years I'm going to spend. As if they know there's a... I tell you before, I don't know tomorrow, but I know tomorrow. And the person that knows tomorrow, any person who fear what you know activism who when you dey by boka about fear kulelwe. Any cow you think you can bribe any cow with one cock? Any cow does not take out from you. It is your stupid, your so-called cooperative witch that take out from you. Any cow, they use sincerity to live. Sincerity is what they use to live. If there is a reason for atonement, they will tell you, look at the atonement you are going to do. But we turn any cow to be our personal heritage. It is not personal to you, it is for everybody. So that's why any person that believes in it, humiliating people with any cow, the any cow fell for call them. That's why tonight I pronounce calamity. In everywhere they are faking any cow. Any person that come and any cow not say, you say any cow say to oppress people. I send you to your early grave in the name of God the Father, God the Son, and God the Holy Spirit. There are a lot of mess we must have to put an end to. We cannot continue like this. Look at sarcophagus everywhere. A lot of people do whatever thing that come from their mind. Look at here right now. Nobody putting on face mask. People are shouting, sleeping outside. Then it's now your governor is sending some 6,000 something to do what? It's not importing AK-47 to make sure the Janda with full Ali Caliphate is gone. The same one at the Kano you are insulting is the same one at the Kano. You don't even know when you are going to die. You doesn't have any intel. You don't look at Gumi today. Patani Gumi still roaming everywhere. No Fulani is in prison. But you are locking our brother from one prison to the other. These people, they are not killers. The main people you people are calling enemy of Edo today, they are not gone, they have not gone. They have not assassinated anybody. The people that assassinate people are your celebrity at home. The people you are calling your enemy today is enemy to Edo land. How will someone be enemy to his land when he's speaking the truth? How will he? Then you think the God is going to help you? Do you think the people you respect in the spirit realm, they fear me. Ask anybody. Because I do everything I have with sincerity. I will lay curse on you on your life on this live video. Why am I saying? How can somebody that have no keys, not even a cultist, no idea, is no idea? You say it's an enemy. But your fathers who have everything in stock, your brothers who kill and assassinate people on countless time, who perform terrorism, who collect land from people, are different to the Edo. But the people that speak the truth are enemy. That's when I know that yes, Agbona my balance. Come to Benin, no one can, in an eloquent manner, ever one day express their anger due to what you tell them. My brother, no. Look at the reason why I say, man, not be our king or not be our enigi. Now they spoil Nigeria. They can't tell you that. All they do, enikao. What's your enikao? Enikao, you go to consume you people. Or the enikao, I see all of you. Enikao, you want. You will meet your ancestors soon. Because the reason why God have helped you, to also help others. Now the voice God have given to you, or the small dream that God give to you, reveal to you, you want to start manipulating it, then you will go and meet your ancestors. Ancestors you were here. People don't know what's happening. You can manipulate Jesus. You can manipulate Robert Power to what you claim. You can manipulate Robert Power, but you cannot manipulate the Nikao. Even I have the Nikao, I respect them. Nikao respect people that say the truth, that speak the truth. That's what they need. That's how the foundation of the earth were laid. In the whole world, anywhere you go, some of the things that make it is for that matter. What make the country, the nation, the palace, the kingdom to exist? It was built in the truth. The foundation must be laid in truth. How will you start crucifying people that speak the truth? Why you have people in your, the people that call people say that are your friends? Why woman not tell me? That's how wicked you people become. And you yourself that is supporting Gagmonwe, I will see how you go to live. I will see who we are fearing who. Look at the people who are Tebona, they are healthy. Because you are looking at the action. Hey, the action. Oh, why did he say it? What's the motive behind it? If you read the book of Genesis 11, for those of you animals, it's not made for everybody, because I believe on people that is watching me right now. So how about Debawa? When I watch him, I call him God will bless you. But in Deba Uboka, they must come. Read the book of Genesis 11. They said they want to build a Trump tower. They want to build a Trump tower to reach heaven. Do you know the motive behind it? So that made them for go see God. He goes, and God look at it on a mark banner. Before verse 7, Daniel chapter 11, 8, 7 there. God said, let's go down so that we may go and confuse that. God was the one that confused their language. Because the action were good. The motive behind it was bad. What is the motive when it is saying what he's saying? Is it to destroy the land or to build it? There you have problem. You have nothing against me. So that, remember, every curse you curse me, or that's why I'm boldly saying it. Make it your way at it. Let every one of you be doing it like that. Come out boldly and do it like that. Do I hear that? Where you to be one, I have and how you know what I'm telling me, because that is how it is. You think it's all this sarcophagus people are doing that will make everywhere to be okay? All these American soldiers you see, they swear allegiance. That allegiance they swear with the Bible is what they obey. But now you have vendor, but it's not working. If you can fight a freedom, everybody fighting now the count today. They are celebrating in those states. Why will a reasonable person even fight? Even though that man people committed sin. Oh, at least every now every one of us will enjoy. You don't even know that the people you are even fighting for, they want you to die. They don't even have you in their plans. The body that you voted for, your brothers, he left them in Afghanistan. He removed the soldier, the same thing your leader had. Because these are the Jobadis. They have members in those states. They love to drinking blood. That's why the more people that they make them happy. That's why they can never come out and condemn anything that will stop blood in the society. How many of your leaders, the way I'm talking right now, who are consecutively condemn whatever is happening in the state? People are advertising right now vaccine, a cigarette that don't inherit. Even the CDC board of chairman, they could even defend it. But Hancock might defend it. The other secretary they brought, head secretary of the Janda UK, said that he has taken the 2 injections, that he still contacted the COVID-19. But here I am, 80, I'm very strong. Why is he not getting to you? Why is it that the same people don't carry anything, baby? Because you have no brain. The same thing they are doing to you at home. What you feel right now, you are doing the best. Somebody that fight a freedom, if you can fight a freedom fighter in Southern, yeah, though we celebrate you. Only states. I've never seen Igbo. I don't think Igbo have any oppression. I was supposed to be celebrated because every of my claims is from the Bible. There you saloba gele we no je awama yekuwa we metani. Eri we no je wa we he o wa kan se ezaga mi okidu ezaza olawagbe o te dori o kan tomu waya any ka o kan tu wagbe. You think he is battle be on social media or that thing any kind beneath to the world number like that. God searched the heart. Also any cow is. Go and ask your Janja which father. Let them tell you the meaning of any cow. They mean our forefathers. My father was not part of it. Oh, okay, you don't know that I'm married to become Benema. You don't know. Okay, my ancestors is not in Edo State. He's in Otuo or he's in Kogi. God punish you there. Oh, when he cow. Any person that lived down a good legacy or any cow. What my father has, my great-great-grandfather, what one did your father have? The same man did women. Do you think your father is a part of the Nika? The good one who it will remain and join the ancestors. Ancestors, they are holy. It is not every person that does an elderly man or the ancestor. So that's why we have it. The ancestors is 24 elders in heaven. They have their own department. If you get issue like if the issue became too tougher, you call on 24 elders in heaven, which is the book of Revelation. All those are your ancestors. You think anywhere because your father was a witch. Your father that was a witch, he's not your ancestors. It is not. Your goodness make you to be part of the ancestors. It is not everybody that fights for freedom and patriots. There are people fighting for freedom. They are politicians. They are fighting for their position. There are a lot of people like that. Patriots are born. They constantly, persistently fight one thing or the other. I am a patriot. Do your verification. You are mad. You are bastard. Do you know what's the meaning of a nickap? I think I've explained to you. I know you are not going to understand. After all, an enemy of Bella. Imagine you not forget something. A fool man. I was thinking before I will know I'm a fish brain. Some people they are just brainless. Here I'm a brain. That's why you are not seeing oppressor where we serve. Oppressor where. You are serving your own oppressor. Nothing is working. Since 1897, let's assume I can't look for you. Nothing is working. A ring road even on Georgie. No be say square on the column. Now see BB. A non-movement of fire don't work all year na me Dubai. Error. This one will come collect money. A diaspora no go back second. Please up Seki. We know you are trying to do the best. This moment have bribed you. But every vaccine to what we are saying, stop giving to our people. Mokpa, a new thing and pana. you think we need one part or phone or way. You picture you go and get vaccinated. But how come millions of people are coming out from Evonuweji? Even your guy in your working place, a doctor not anywhere marry. They are protesting with Nanama. I will work Panama because we want to seek a governor. You want to go to the Bay Avenue. Why me baba fear kunleluwa? The reason why I keep on saying it, no wa make now when a saga man he go to spend 701 years. And everything you have done, why have you left from today? Why we matter more? They already give. He have published a picture. He said, look at the people that promoted the vaccine in those states. I don't know what in Wagani. Yeah, why? I'm going to do it to you people. Yeah, in Wabe we may, as people we are trying to label me and label me a name. Oh, now is an evidence. The evidence is there. I'm going to publish people picture. Yeah, why I'm here? Yeah, say very. No, I make a yeah, why? Go and tell them I'm going to yeah, why? Yeah, why? So that next time you will not support the vote again. Why you will be a patriot. This man do July in Sarasota, in Florida. No face mask. No face mask. Thousands of people, no face mask. He did in yesterday in Alabama, Kuma in Alabama, no face mask, no single face mask. All the rally have been doing. This man has been trying to send a signal to all these animals. No, he ain't going. He ain't going. Kogi State governor is saying no. Are wicked are wicked. Are wicked who only turn on Igbo people in Obi. I have not seen wicked advertise this thing. It's only the habit of the nation more. Are wicked that Obu Zodima. Obu Zodima now the general overseer of devil for Asoro. Who could carry bombardment jets, military helicopter to tackle his own people. He couldn't carry this into his people. If Obu Zodima can at least have godly mind in this manner. But the so-called useless people in the diaspora. 70 Mona corner people for us where what when you am your basket Jason. What you wow. They are ready to kick Buwa. Have a stupid people no red diaspora. They are kick Buwana. They are kick Buwa. What you wow. A team of what you wow. No stadium when I protest in Italy. These are the people from the remnant in Odekwa Unuya. When I do any say, or manoma with me, anyway, some of them, a tiare or rela. How many Nigerian doctors joined them in doing this thing? Right from time, the story behind it will be very bad. They went to go and contract some useless those state local celebrity. They went to go and convince some useless those state local celebrities to help them advertise it so that their brother or sister might be killed. Some of them come and hey, November they be wrong with you. Where November you no stupid set of people. Something is not good, something is not right. When Donald Trump came from the beginning, he called it China virus. Why was this man was trying to send a message? Yesterday here, he did great screen broadcasting and is in my page. Go and look, no single face mask anymore. But if governor of the state, all the money you know, everything, they would carry on this. I just look down the shame. Who have done this one to my people? Digo, Bamigo, what me big go now? What do you see for money? Let even assume they want to use and quack the man. You what when over there where you made the information? Some of them say, hey, I work in the head. Go and listen to what Matanko said. All of you are surprised. If I'm giving you the list, I give you the names. Go and verify their speech. If I'm giving you whatever, I give you the name. Go and verify their speech. Go to the website of CDC. Go to their website. When I saw the news today, this please, if you know I forward this thing to you, send it to me. Let me read it. Because now the phone we are taking the broadcast, so now I send them. If you know I forwarded this thing to you, I screenshot them to you. If you are watching, send it to the other of my phone, please. Send it to that number 631056284. Please, if you know I send this thing for you, I shall screen and make a read down for people made them hear. What news in UK today? What they bring out, this one is not fake news. Oh. That's how they have been saying it. They say, oh, the very first day I saw it, I called somebody and said, put in a CDC website. He read it and said, brother, hey, where's it, brother, where's it, brother, where's it, so now, brother, we say, you tell me I for not believe that the people that not here, they are going to be the one transferring it tomorrow. That the high rate of people not here, you want me now. As if saying my pardon. Igbeneghu was not a virologist. Era not bearing me. Am I a virologist? Now, why this boy so optimistic about what he's saying? You cannot do your verification now. Why go with verification? After all, without brain. Yes, one call him a banner working now. Please come and explain to people what you feel. Here with your state manager, they like to follow that idiot who talk from two sides of his mouth. That's what they know how to do. And label people all manner of names. I told you people one time, you know where Suleiman Matamona not the top put again. I told you before one time where Suleiman Mata was doing involved. I think another one have come out down. Say Suleiman still fucker. All these one again. Next 2 weeks now, the person will also come. I will pay to do it. Then they use on a destiny. You people won't listen. Stop blogging this thing. They are no bomb can have they are bad people. All you wire dark wire. The more you talk about it, the more they take away your trend. But you can't listen. Huh? After all, did I have double barrel to kill anybody? Because a man already know one and how they are arrogant or a celebrity in my bed. Go and check all the celebrity. Check the artisan penales. You don't see graduates from Ekpoma that come out in B2 that is celebrity in those states. They must have gone. It is when you can have talks and we are more give do. And they put you in a carrier. If we need 10 head, you can bring it. Then you want to stop me from saying the truth. Come and fight me here, bro. Mobilize me. We're mobilizing me. Now that day you know say me, if I'm monitor me. When we know madam feel we monitor me. If I see we run on me lely me again. Why when me one more? They're not the youth dead stretching who don't already die. I will keep on telling you, I must turn the heart of the people. Not for bad, but for good. We must know the truth. And the only thing that is going to send off with the truth. And what alone? Maybe I'm sure I share this thing for one. Please, if you are watching me, I screenshot this thing for you. Remember, I think I suspected somebody I sent this thing for. Let me try if I can call the person. Now, I send them anywhere to anyone. I will also show you the parking and web that talk about it. The people that is getting sick right now. The people that is getting sick right now are the people not here. Then okay, Megwan, company, wherever company I'm working, I born out not you. But why not also listen and forget about that your dirty job or dirty travel, no travel. Huh? We cannot listen, oh sir. We can never listen. I will go listen. What we know how to do best is to fight a freedom fighter. And if you can insult one of the canon, they can give you Okoromi. Hello, please send this thing as on screen for you today in this very phone. Now picture I shall screen and send them for me fast. If you can insult a freedom fighter, insult on the go, you are very free now. They can give you chief sensitive tattoo anywhere in Benin City. Because anyone was Simiosegedo with lies. And trying to tell our ancestors they don't know what they are doing. Ancestor is the God. You find our ancestor there in the 10 Commandments. Or Exodus 20, go and read it. It's in Exodus 20. Go and read it. God bless you for sending it. Look at it. Maybe a lot of you may be getting such notification in your phone. Look at it. I video my yard here now. Janda we UK, no. Yawat here now say, our vaccinated people appear to be getting COVID-19 at a high rate, but there are still not enough concrete scientific study on how often people get sick and how likely vaccinated people are spreading the virus. You hear that? So now they are even not suspecting you. I give a suspect to Wenani. Then what is that? You think what you feel you have just done right now? That you prolong evil days. That's why a phenomenon of your power must say. No, tomorrow right now the same you when no when okay what secure when. What about you? The thing does not even secure the job for you. What will you not do? The thing you feel you have done now does not even secure the job for you. For the people that always come out, yes, they tell you when you are going to die. Water many can they not water? Are you to tell the ancestors who to come? Are you a custodian of the ancestors? Did your way even please the ancestors? Or what the people your way was able to please was the power because that one was your Jesus. Imagine 20 years where you take go church now is a waste. Because I'm proving it to you yesterday, confirmed by the Bible. You cannot be working in UAC and expect to receive salary in John. It's impossible. You carry another name and put another image in it. Imagine somebody you putting your name in another person's picture. It may be the person now, he buried the same name. But if you carry your picture, it draws your attention. That's what you people have become. So let's stop using temporary solution to solve everlasting problem. What we think we have done, we have not done anything. And we cannot face what is evil coming. You have not solved any problem at all. You have not solved any problem. The agenda is there. Until you open up your eye and join to pray. It is there, it is there. You have to open up your eye and join to pray. It is there, it is there. The reason why they are preparing your mind right now, so that you know later. These people, I love them for one thing though. I love this devil for one thing. He pre-inform you of what you are about to face. And right now they are logically telling you that there have been there are high rate of people there are high rate that they are sick. But there have not been a scientific concrete reasons. Why is it like that? They are just why are they not saying that this we here why is it there? Why must they say accuse you? Huh? Why must they say accuse you? You are still a suspect. You are still a suspect. I joined the patriot in the war to make sure we fight this mess. But you were in a hurry. The same thing I want to see enter where they are selling. I have to still put it there. Right now they are even denying now that if you take this thing, if you take the 2 there, if you take the 2 there, it does not stop you from catching it. The thing is that you know come too severe again for your body. That's what they are telling you now. So that if you are sick tomorrow, you should know that they tell you but you can still get it, but not too serious. Then who is fooling who? You are in a hurry now. Your boss said at the same day everybody go see when who will now where we can. Earlier the better. If people are agitating for something, join. Don't be saying na Igbo or na Brafa na Onyameri. All the people that fought Brafa today go and look at Abakari. If go Chineke Sivabo your God of Una did the crumble your enemy. You don't insult a freedom fighter. You don't. It's not permitted. If you do it, you are pronouncing war on yourself. Have you ever wanted to see me fight a freedom? I don't fight a freedom fighter. The very day you change your fight, you now metamorphose your fight, that your fight is not real. I'll remove them for your body. Man, if you that was why I pray for my two brothers. Do you know why I pray for them? I pray for them that day. For them to come out and make a protest against or Kanwu or Kangele or Kanvie or Kamiane. I was in solidarity with them. But when they were into politics, me, I don't want to even, if I even see them in my drive, I'll say, get behind me, idiot. But I mentioned 2 people, but they are not my friend. I don't even have their number on my phone. If they ever call me, I'm not going to pick. That's how it's supposed to be. Have you ever one day with your greedy head and say, hey, community, God will bless that guy for speaking the truth? But you can't say it. Then you are, depend on Nika. I imagine. Not the Nika with this. Not the Nika with this. Think a Nika is like your wicked father. A Nika is not your wicked father. These are God. They portray the image of God to us. God sent them to us to come and what you have, use it to take off your land. These are God on earth. The real God on earth are the Nikao. You think a Nikao is like you? Who will go and betray his own WhatsApp group member? A Nikao doesn't betray themselves. What makes your father, my own father, even my late dad, Igbinigun, is with the Nikao. He might tell you not going to. Because why? His hands were clean. He fight for their gene in the society. I continue for where my father stood. Go and verify the intro of my father. For the people that know my father in Uronigbo, go and verify the Tamuwana. He remember anybody one day. He fight for his community. If not why we are pressing need the very knee. He fight and transform almost to where Igbenadua every year must upgrade. It was after a departure, Igbenadua was tired. These are the people that can write a letter to Commissioner Police under 6 minutes. All those are people that have foresight. They remain work. When a small girl, nobody are here, the way no say, oh, it's any cow. We are any cow. You just open your where can you because I don't want me to quit that. You are going to suffer the rest of your life. So that next time you will not disturb people again. Do you think any cow is happy seeing our land like this? Seeing their children be killed? Do you think a cow is as wicked as your leader? Who will wait, who will have cow and he does not tell the fool I need to control them where and they are eating your crops. People cannot go to farm. Do you think any cow will be as that wicked as you are? Any cow, they are sympathetic. They are sympathetic. Just the same way God is. Any cow is written in Philippians 2 verse 5. Let this man be you that was also in our Enikao. But which man day in you today? After all, na Igbo man the key not concern you. But we have both the same ancestral DNA. We are more related to the Igbo than the so-called Fulani herdsmen. Today, if you are fighting an Igbo man, they to say Fulani's agenda what you are supporting. Then why are you crying out the other day? They are coming to Edo, and they will come. You can't stop what is coming. Until you forbid cow meat. Up till you tell the people that owns the cow, take it away from this place. We don't need it. Ariuzo. He then no longer antelope in the farm. Erue river, Okan river, Unana river, Evoato river. I'm young Benny Vegani. Rather than a cow, who want to do better than a cow? And this a cow is putting you in mess. What measure are you putting on ground? The same way you are putting measure protecting the Delta variant. And as a variant to be available by September now, Taba variant is there. It's Delta variant now. What is not even where I'm putting my leg now is now in a state killing people. But the main issue is there, nobody talks about it. People cannot go to farm or the animal anybody. Then you are creating security. And have you been able to fight for the Fulani we have in our place and say you must leave? Have you been able to talk to your father and say this cow is his convenience or no? You cannot talk to them now. After all, they can bring you out at any time and use you for burnt offering. After you have been able to insult you, they call you a freedom fighter. A freedom fighter that fight a freedom fighter. You are a freedom fighter, but you are fighting me. What are you fighting me for? What have I done wrong to you? By preaching the Bible or saying the truth? Where matter no where matter. Who we have in West Africa? Normal who you are going to suffer for 600 years. If above you do watch it. Since you have been fighting freedom fighter, watch your life. There's something missing in your life. That's why for the haters of Donald Trump, or Emmanuel hate man naturally, or Mari Waka, or Mari Wahin, because BBC projected it to you. Look at now your president. Because in river or in wounded, only dead among the living. But you couldn't see it. After all, it's not compulsory you see it. Everything are politics. I told you when the election is gone, let's drop politics and face policy. No, you can never. But I saw a comment today. The way you are supporting Brafa. What are wrong with Brafa? Oh my region of Belemani. Why not talk to your useless, some of your useless brother, no mind no records for them to stop killing themselves? I support their freedom. These people, they are not terrorists. These people, if you are not sensible enough, one equal near you where Ovi go waro no wa bie no obi ruwe nene obi do wa bie ne ihwe so wa be ro ikpe wa be ro ne ori obi do they are happily married. You are causing ethnic tension. You don't see anything wrong with it. Why must you even segregate yourself from the Igbos? What have these people done? I don't know. Then you want to drag me into your mess that are not supporting Brafa. Okay, Brafa, is it a terrorist organization? If I were to be a terrorist, I'm always everywhere, every day by day. The Spanish government know that they know I'm doing live video now. Let them send anybody before me. A space for Simana Delegian. Ebonana Balazi. Ebonana Bossa Lazio Mokoriba. Weba Dami Mege one day. Weba we me. Ni me soladian. Ni me post some of my work. Ni me post I can post you. No we post where no popo member. Now what be you wa bon wagbon. You like this condition you are. Ewe bona ma gbe na yoti today. They fight for the freedom you are enjoying today. They fight. You can't fight for anyone. After all, it does not matter. Why you get Robert Power in the praise the Lord, single, praise the Lord. Robert Power, why you got in the you cannot take that image away from your head. Now, somebody were telling me, if you are a Christian, I think I saw it in YouTube. Let me see if I can remember. But relatedly, he was trying to talk about, if I'm talking about the ancestors. Do you know what's called ancestors? Jesus Christ does not come to come and change anything. Jesus can never. So that is why people are just brainless. Take the one you can take, because all this things is not made for you. Because you are an animal. How can a fish break carry such a thing? You are there to learn. Pick the one you can be able to digest, bite as you can chew. Una mi taleme so. My the way my work be say. I principalities in working. Where do you take be like 1 metro do? There are different grades of principalities. There are different grades of witches. There are principalities and power. There are demons in high places. There are the one in heavenly places. No heavenly places, he said, no high places. I can dig where to me. Or man, no yazen no way in him. Very mammy egbina say, in a like a megwali. Or man, no yazen no way gagu way. Or can dig where to me lava to. How do you think you and I is made? Tell the one you can digest. Yekerebu way. Take small inside, digest it. Forget it. Do you know what's called ancestors? You don't know. All you think ancestors is devil. Ancestors is not devil. They are not devil. In me or fofa. Okay, Ruwe is Sugano. And no wonder it's clear. No wonder it's clear. This was how they brainwash you. Feeling if you don't talk about ancestors, why you they pay bride pride now? Why why your pastor not they wed you for church? Why during your wedding they will still bring cola and bring the way not heck you? They don't even know anything. Learn, you won't learn. Learn, you will learn. This is the problem we have. Yet, he has a waragu. Obaseki won. But you can't know now. After all, you are a goat. You can't know. Do you know the people that fought Obaseki? Waiting here now. After all, animal. The injection is working on your head. If you see message, tell the one you can take. Don't write stupid comment as if you know. Where him we not revenue again. Where home we not revenue again. Proverbs 22 verse 28. Remove not the ancient landmark which your father have set up. What does it mean? When the book of 23, Matthew 23, walk high. Or we not continue from where your father stopped. What your father abandoned. He said finish it. What is that thing that he abandoned? We won't give our it is fundamental. That is our ancestors. You are calling you matter. You know what one Eri amere. You know what 10 commandments. A dog with 10 commandments. Our ancestors were the one that wrote 10 commandments with the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. They write it down. Eri amere. Gemere wuyo wow. Then where did you? What else are you bringing? What else? No. What are you trying to tell me? Are you mad? In the name of our ancestors. What are you trying to tell me? You are trying to tell me what is already inherent in me and in an animal. This is a thing I know right from my childhood. I don't even need to go. You don't even need to go to church to enter heaven. Now, the reason why you go to church so that when you are passing through predicament, You look at the story of Joseph. He make you to stay input and say this thing I must overcome it. If Joseph can overcome it, I will overcome it. Maybe we marry. The charge is not just for coming. You read about Sarah Hannah. It gives you encouragement to carry your barrenness for some time. Usalubake will answer a prayer. That was why the Bible is there. It's not there for you to start learning how to band. God punish you. He is for Robert Powell. A language Robert Powell was saying. Oh, look, we may not see. And no, even so look, worshiping. Also, as a little minute model swinging. Can you tell me that? You are stupid. Every department you find yourself have a spirit. Activism have a spirit. Talk show host have a spirit. Stupidity have a spirit. Even your foolishness or even spirit in your leg. That's why it has been enduring you. Nothing you can ever do again. Because you have been baptized with it. At times they want to start twisting things. This word is there. It is fundamental. It is natural in you. Right to life. That's the first amendment in America. You decide whatever thing that comes to your body. Is it not beneath people that say that they're not the big person, you say you not get strength? Huh? Is it not the same beneath people that say, well, I go pay? They're not the big person put. I not go pay, not the big person put. Not be beneath people talking. Why are you people changing things? Why are you no longer following what? For example, our palace have a book. They are supposed to be having a book. You find out that they are even working outside the book. I stand there to be corrected. Sue me to anywhere. They are working outside the book. That can be prove it. I have everything on my head. Is in the book of Luke 6:31. Do unto others likewise what you may have them to do to you. It is there clear. It is there clear. Our father was the one that wrote that book of Luke. It was transferred to the New Testament. Then what are we talking about? Is just, I told you yesterday the book of Leviticus 14. It happened, our fathers still do it, but they never use human head. They use goat fowl and the rest. Where did you get this your own from? But you don't want to hear it. You will hear it by force. Woman, you will hear your sick bed. If you don't want to hear it now, you will hear it in your sick bed. Who must and you must change. You cannot escape it. Am I not tired? You must hear it. It's something you must have to digest. And how dare you talking about ancestors? Thou shalt not commit adultery. One of the commandments. Then what? Don't covet your neighbor's wife. Then what are we talking about? Even upon Solomon, they have 700 wives and 300 concubines. But there was a laid down principle you follow. Not so a body. Only David or Raya. David no maybe they don't need a he take Uriah wife, but God he told because he was very sincere. God la beg. God look at him because of the fight he fought for God. He want to praise the name of God in the book of 1 Samuel 17 verse 50 or thereabout. When he killed Goliath, he called Goliath these uncircumcised Philistines. I only because David was a worshipper and he was sincere. God, please, I'm sorry. They can never agree or they are wrong. They must make sure they continue it. David he sent Uriah to work for no making out of but Solomon 700 wives and 300 concubines. But he was still having a principle he follows. Not so a body. Then you want to tell me more ancestors. I know what they have in mind. How did I know it? I know it through the word of God. So who were blind, who were and I only two are when you blind if you blind if you blind if a man. That is what I who were suffer who. Until you come and say all the freedom fighters have fought wrongly. I'm sorry. Who were suffer who? Who were women were story. So far let them be very, very careful near your walking. Nonsense. You think you what did you know about the Bible? Why? Everything we are supposed to be seeing at those stages is in the 10 Commandments. But we are not, even when it's not even reading. I even if I give you some past man. Okay, where you go no but only why but only can work on Saloba because that one is not disturbing our society. After all, we do school with the way we student. What do you want me to give to you? I've given you some. But why the humiliation? Why the oppression? When Matthew 6 verse 31, do unto others likewise what you want them to do to you. Even the New Testament, when Jesus Christ came, he said, love your neighbor as yourself. He talked about it, but those who allow it, they are using sentiment. Hey, the people that live in Owanekere, they are idiots. The people that live in Owanokwa, even when they commit atrocity, we still bless them and say Kabiesi. But the people that live in small house, which I see, all that's one. With Facebook, what don't know why you bought me do. Me have a day military intelligence, Space Force. What man will deal with it? You better stay in your lane. Emmanuel is about anybody. If I pray, God the answer because I pray with anger. That's why the book of Matthew chapter 11 verse 12. He says, see the day of John the Baptist. Up to now the kingdom of heaven suffered violence. Only the violent men that take it by force. So at times we are very violent in the spirit. So do have a nice day, everyone, and God bless you. Make sure you share this video and mock us these idiots. They can never cooperate. I am facing racism. They are not giving us now social pastor. They are giving us Italia Campo. And Germany, they don't pay again. Are they paying you where you are from? Berlin and Benin, which one is supposed to be more richer? Berlin or Dortmund or Stuttgart, which one was supposed to be more richer? Lego and calculator that normal commission and natural resources. How many people is Edo paying? Rather than by 2020 just now, we are in diaspora, we have to donate money and go and fix a chair in Osadebe Avenue. Because we have money. Yet you couldn't see with your head. Blindfolded set of a woman, a whooping, no man.